All right, you can see these green fields, but over there we got a construction site, and this is actually a block masonry. I'm working here on this construction site. Okay, let's see what we got here. This place is just for the guest room, which is actually future extension. There we got the main gate, and here we have actually you can say water system. That is just the, you can say, pump. There is just the resting area, and as you can see, this is the front elevation. Okay, it's building not yet completed. This is the main you can say door, and there we have the parking area, right? And we also have you can say arches over there in the parking area, as well as here in the veranda. Okay, this is veranda to the kitchen. Okay, because sometimes you need rest while working or cooking in the kitchen, so this is actually to the outside, and this is something like separate system from the you can say residential area. I mean, just from the area where people just walk around and sit over there. Okay, so okay, let's just move ahead and enter to the building. Okay, work is still over there, and we have not yet completed this. Over there, as you can see, we're gonna just build a arch, you can say, and this is the main door. Let's just enter over there. This is a main door with one window only, and here we have just you can say a staircase, and this is actually from the corridor and from the dining area. Okay, this is a huge, you can say a very wide window, and this dining area actually leads to the kitchen as well, so we can have less time while serving our guests or maybe the family members. Okay, so this is just the kitchen area having one window and some ventilation stuffs, and over here, as you can see, this is the same thing as the veranda. Okay, now let's just move ahead toward the other areas like TV lounge and some bedrooms. Okay, this is again the corridor, and as you can see, this is a window which is actually 3 feet by 6 feet. Okay, this is a huge TV lounge. You can see it's pretty good, and here we have arrangement of doors for the you can say bedrooms. Okay, we have 4 bedrooms, but these are very, you can say, wide bedrooms, like you can say 15 by 20 and 22 is actually the size in feet. Okay, and here we have this is actually dressing area, and there we have the bathing area, you can say. Okay, you can say shower, and as you can see, this is actually a master bedroom with a huge or with a wide window. That window is actually 8 by 8, and here, as you can see, this is a very wide area for a wardrobe. Okay, or you can say cupboard, and there we have the bathroom, which is actually like a small room. Okay, so we can have different stuffs. Okay, like English commode, maybe Indian, maybe bathing tub, and shower as well, sinks. Okay, and as you can see, on the other side we have this area which is actually 3 feet, and this is open to sky, so we can have a good ventilation through windows and you can say ventilators. Okay, here is another bedroom. This is also actually very wide, which is actually, you can say, around 15 times 20 feet. Okay, having wardrobe, and again over there just the bathing area. Okay, all right, and this is filling. Make sure you fill and you compact the filling. Okay, so you don't have these problems in the future. All right, now let's just move. This thing is actually a hall, and this is around 15 times 22, having wardrobe and then the bathing area again. Okay, so this is a pretty nice residential building which is actually 58 times 80 feet. This is actually the total area of the plot. Okay, and this building just has 4 bedrooms, and those are actually master bedrooms, TV lounge, kitchen, and actually the bedrooms are having attached bath and wardrobes. Okay, there is actually a parking area as well and a dining. So this is actually what I wanted to show you, and you can also copy the design, does not matter. See you in the next video.